Most people have no idea what happens inside their brain after 60, at 3 in the morning. Between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., your brain runs a cleaning system. It flushes toxic waste. It rebuilds damaged neurons. It locks in your memories from the day. But after 60, this process slows down, and what you eat before bed decides how well it works. Tonight, 3 fruits that supercharge that repair, and most people are missing all 3. After 60, the brain has a cleaning crew. It's called the glymphatic system. Think of it like a pressure wash inside your skull. It only activates during sleep. It flushes out the proteins that cloud your thinking. It clears the buildup that, over years, leads to memory loss. But here's the problem. After 60, this system runs at 40% less efficiency than it did in your 40s. More buildup stays. More damage accumulates, faster than most people realize. The right foods before bed change that math. Not a little, a lot. We're counting down from powerful to extraordinary. 3, 2, 1. Stay until number 1, because number 1 is the fruit most seniors are either avoiding or eating at the completely wrong time. And the science behind it is unlike anything we've covered on this channel.
Number 3, kiwi. The fuzzy brown fruit most people eat occasionally and think nothing of. But inside your brain after 60, it does something no other fruit does quite this way. Kiwi contains natural serotonin, not synthetic, not a supplement, the real compound, in a form your aging gut can actually absorb. After 60, your gut produces roughly 30% less serotonin than it did in your 40s. And serotonin isn't just a mood chemical, it's the gatekeeper of memory. Inside the hippocampus, the region that converts today's experiences into tomorrow's memories, serotonin decides how much gets stored and how much gets lost. Less serotonin at night, less gets stored, more gets lost. That's not just aging. That's a deficiency. And 1 kiwi, eaten 60 minutes before bed, can begin to correct it. A 2011 study, published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition, found that adults over 65 who ate 2 kiwis before bed each night for 4 weeks showed 35% faster onset of deep sleep and measurable improvement in next-day memory recall. But kiwi brings a second weapon, folate. After 70, your body absorbs folate 30% less efficiently. Folate controls a compound called homocysteine. High homocysteine attacks the hippocampus. Literally, it accelerates shrinkage in the exact region responsible for forming new memories. Kiwi lowers it, simply, every night. How to use it? 2 kiwis, 60 minutes before bed. Eat the flesh. The serotonin and folate peak in your bloodstream right as your glymphatic system activates. That timing isn't an accident. That's the window. Number 2, blueberries. You've heard about them, but not like this. Most foods cannot cross the blood-brain barrier. It is one of the most selective filters in the human body, designed to keep toxins out. But the anthocyanins in blueberries, the deep blue-purple pigments, they can pass through. They go directly to brain tissue. They work inside your neurons. After 60, your brain loses between 50,000 and 100,000 neurons every single day. That is normal aging. What is not normal is what happens when inflammation accelerates that loss. Chronic inflammation is the silent thief after 60. You don't feel it, you don't see it, but it is strangling your neurons, slowly, quietly, for years. Anthocyanins from blueberries are one of the only natural compounds that cross into the brain and directly fight that inflammation. A 2012 study from the Harvard School of Public Health, following 16,000 women over 70,
found that those who ate blueberries twice a week showed 2.5 years less cognitive aging compared to those who didn't. 2.5 years preserved. But here is the part most people miss. Evening timing matters. A 2015 study in applied physiology, nutrition, and metabolism found that older adults who ate blueberries in the evening, not the morning, showed significantly greater overnight memory consolidation. Because the anthocyanins reach peak concentration in the brain between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., exactly when the glymphatic cleanup is most active. You're not just eating blueberries, you're timing them like medicine. How to use it? 3/4 to 1 cup. Fresh or frozen? Frozen is nearly equal. Freezing ruptures the cell wall and actually increases absorption. Eat them 90 minutes before sleep. If this is already changing how you think about your evening routine, hit that like button right now. And if you're over 60 and you haven't subscribed yet, do it. Every week we break down the science your doctor doesn't have time to explain in a 15-minute appointment. Now, number 1. This one surprised me when I first researched it, because it doesn't just feed your brain, it fixes the very window through which all brain repair happens. Fruit number 1, Tart cherries. Specifically Montmorency Tart cherries. Small, deep red, slightly sour, and more powerful for your aging brain at night than almost any food studied in the last decade. Here is the problem after 60 that nobody talks about. Your brain's own melatonin production doesn't just drop, it collapses. By age 70, most people produce significantly less melatonin than they did at 30. In some studies, as little as 20% of their earlier output. That varies by individual, but the direction is...
And that is not just a sleep problem. That is a brain repair problem. Because melatonin is not just the sleep hormone. It is your brain's overnight security guard. It protects neurons from oxidative damage. It regulates inflammation. It coordinates the entire glymphatic cleanup cycle. Without enough of it, your brain's repair work gets cut short every single night for years. Tart cherries are one of the only natural whole foods that contain measurable, bioavailable melatonin. Not synthetic, not a pill. Melatonin that works in harmony with your body's existing rhythms, not around them. A 2018 study from Northumbria University found that older adults who consumed tart cherry concentrate in the evening showed an 84-minute increase in total sleep time per night and measurable improvement in episodic memory, the kind of memory that lets you recall specific events, conversations, faces. But tart cherries carry a second weapon, anthocyanins, at a higher concentration per serving than almost any other fruit studied. A 2018 study from Louisiana State University followed adults between 65 and 80 who consumed tart cherry juice each evening for 12 weeks. The result? A 23% improvement in verbal memory scores. 23%. That is the difference between remembering and not remembering. After 60, the window between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. is when the most repair happens. Tart cherries extend that window. They deepen it. They make every minute your sleeping brain spends cleaning more powerful. How to use it? 8 ounces of pure tart cherry juice, not sweetened cocktail blends. Pure. Or 2 tablespoons of Montmorency tart cherry concentrate in water. Consume 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Pair with a small handful of walnuts. The healthy fats increase anthocyanin absorption by up to 31%. You've been told that after 60, decline is the only direction. That what happens inside your skull at night is beyond your control. But every single night, your brain is running the same program it has always run. Trying to clean, trying to rebuild, trying to hold on to who you are. The only question is whether you give it what it needs to finish the job. 3 fruits, 1 window.
Every night after 60 is another chance. Don't waste it. Drop a comment right now. Tell me which fruit you're starting with tonight. 3, 2, or 1. I read every single one. And if you want to know the 3 drinks that silently destroy this repair process while you sleep, alcohol is one of them, and the reason why might shock you. Watch this video next.